Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, coming at you with my hands-on and first impressions video of the new Google Pixel 4 XL. Now I'd like to thank Google for sending this out to me to review. I am part of Team Pixel, and this is a gift from Google. So I'm very excited to check this out, so let's get started. So this is the box that they sent over to me. It's a bit different from the retail packaging. So I actually already opened this up and I booted up the phone and set everything up just to save some time here for the video. But I put everything back in the box as it was before. But you can see here, hashtag made by Google, making help magical. So we'll open this up. It's a very fancy presentation, the way they have this box kind of laid out here. So we'll pull out everything that's included. So we get a variety of different things included in the packaging here. They have some messages here about the charity work that they do, so very cool. And if you're looking for Pixel 4 content on social media, then definitely look up the hashtags Pixel 4 and gift from Google, because you'll probably see a bunch of content from various social media creators. So it looks like we get the Pixel 4 XL case. We'll take a look at this after I show you the phone. So I'll put this off to the side for now. There's also a note here that says hashtag made by Google. Say hi to your new Pixel 4. And that's pretty cool. It says hi Kevin. So it's a customized message here from Google. And then we have the actual box itself. So it says P4 here on the front. So Pixel 4 and then Pixel 4 XL, which is this specific version of the phone. Now the Pixel 4 XL starts at $899 and the Pixel 4 starts at $799. We'll open this up here. And the first item in the box is the actual phone itself. Like I said, I've already booted it up and set everything up here. I am going to be putting my SIM card in the phone after this video. I'm planning on using this device with Cricket Wireless. So let me know in the comment section below if you're a Cricket customer. But let's see what else is included here. In this packet here, we have the SIM card removal tool. We have a user guide. And we have some warranty and regulatory information. Then we have a two-sided USB-C cable. We also have an OTG adapter so that you can plug USB-A devices into your Pixel 4 XL. And then we have a USB-C wall adapter for charging. So here is the phone itself. So the device features a 6.3-inch display at 1440p. It's a POLED display, so very good looking and a very high resolution. You're actually getting a PPI of 537 with the phone, and it features a 19:9 aspect ratio. It's a very tall display, and that's a great thing because it makes it really good for watching video content, browsing the web, and going on social media. Now this color of the device is the clearly white color. You can also get it in just black and oh so orange. It seems like the orange color, especially this year, has really taken off and it's been very popular, at least from what I've seen on Twitter and Instagram. Now what's interesting too is that the device actually incorporates all three of those colors in it, but of course the main color is white. But that oh so orange color is incorporated into the power button here, and of course we have a black band running around the sides of the device. That's something that Google has been doing for a while with their various Pixel devices. It seems like they always incorporate some sort of unique design element into the phone, and they've continued that trend with the Pixel 4 with these unique colors. Now up top here we have an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, which also gives you face unlock. So the device actually features a very advanced face unlock. It's a lot more advanced from what you get with other Android devices out there, and it works very quickly. So you can see it was near instant there. There's no fingerprint sensor on the back side of the phone, and no in-screen fingerprint sensor. But with how quickly and reliably the face unlock works, it's really not necessary. Now the device features 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and there is no SD card expansion, so keep that in mind. The phone has wireless charging, which is a great thing. That's a feature that I use all the time. And on the back side, we have a dual camera setup with a 12 megapixel main camera and a 16 megapixel telephoto camera. You're of course getting portrait mode with the front and rear cameras on the phone. The device has 6 gigabytes of RAM and features the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor. So without a doubt, this device is a flagship phone and features some of the best specifications available in 2019. Now video recording on the phone maxes out at 4K at 30 frames per second, It features a 3700 milliamp hour battery, so a pretty beefy battery there. And it runs Android 10 as the software. So the latest and greatest version of Android. Now, a lot of people buy Pixel phones because they're some of the first devices to receive Android updates as soon as new versions of Android are released. So if getting the latest and greatest versions of Android the soonest is important to you, then getting a Pixel 4 or Pixel XL might be the way to go. But based on my first impressions, I'm a big fan of the hardware on this phone. Of course, you're getting a great looking display with the device, and the build quality really is top notch. Now on the right side of the phone here, we have the power button and we have the volume button. Then on the left side, we just have the slot for the SIM card. Then on the top of the device, we have the noise canceling microphone. Then on the bottom, we have the USB-C port, microphone, and speaker. And then on the back, we have the camera module and the Google logo. So a very clean and simple design, yet very elegant and high-end. Let's also take a look to see what case they sent me. I actually have not opened this yet, so we'll open this right now to see what all is included. And wow, very cool case here. So it looks like this case features the Oh So Orange on the inside and then kind of a charcoal look on the outside here. So very nice looking, and it feels very high quality. It's kind of a cloth material as well, which is something I'm a big fan of on cases. So I'll put this in the case right now. We'll see how it fits. And what's nice too is that installation here was a breeze. It was really easy to install the device into the case. And the power button is very easy to access here, as well as the volume buttons. So a very nicely designed case here from Google. Of course, you're also getting the Google logo on the back side as well. So if you want to keep things consistent and you want to keep everything Google on this phone, then you might want to pick up one of these cases as well. But let me know what you think about the Google Pixel 4 XL based on these first impressions. But so far, I'm a big fan of the device. It looks like yet another awesome handset from Google, and I'm looking forward to using it over the next couple of weeks and then giving you my full review video. In the meantime, I'm going to be making a variety of other videos about this device, including comparisons, tips and tricks videos, and more. And again, I'd like to give a shout out to Team Pixel for making this possible. This is a gift from Google and I definitely appreciate it. But thanks for watching this video. This is Kevin here. Make sure to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.